guys, so here in Akihabara with my friend Chris, and a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a toy hunt around Akihabara, so your wish has come true. That's what we're doing today. However, I'm also looking for action figures and parts that I can use in an upcoming series of toys that Chris and I are both working on. It's kind of top secret right now, but maybe at the end of the video I will explain a little bit more about that. But first, we're going to hit up Toys Golden Age, one of the oldest, coolest vintage toy shops here in Akihabara. Let's see what we can find. I'm very interested in these Micromen. Ooh, or like, yeah, Acroyers, anything like that. Also a bunch of Henshin Cyborg parts here. Oh, here we go. Here's some Cosmo Satans. Reissues, kind of pricey. Bunch of Robot Men. Man, let's see. Here's some other beaters, maybe. We'll have to take those out. Last time you found some that were like 400 yen or something, you said?
Yeah, they were just sitting over here, and they ended up being
over here?
actual, authentic, not reissues. And only one of them was missing a backpack. It's very awesome.
Check out this
Oh, nice!
Blade Runner spinner. I guess it's custom. I assume. I don't think there's a Blade Runner, official Blade Runner set.
Wow.
Dragon Ball pieces might be good too. What's a Gashapon? I still need this Sofubi, but they're asking like 400 bucks for it here. Bunch of cool Keshi. What'd you find?
It's a very odd thing.
HG shooter. Oh, this is cool. Oh, it shoots little cars. And maybe it's a pencil topper too.
It looks like it.
Yeah, that's neat. Some Ava stuff. Gundams. These little Gundam mini kits are awesome. I love those. Even though I don't collect the Gundam.
Yeah, this is pretty much 80s wonderfulness.
That's pretty cool.
I've never even heard of this series, but this is just great. Wow.
You can see that. Oh. Love the colors.
Yeah. How he transforms. Cool.
How much is this guy?
Very much.
200s. So here we've got a Pharoid. Well, it's a Micro Command for 1,000. Missing some feet and hands. So Spy Magician turned over. One of these guys or a couple of these guys might work. There's some vintage Star Wars for 1,000 yen. That's pretty good. And Nazi dude from Indiana Jones.
Weird. Who is that?
Let us know in the comments. What'd you get, Chris?
A small silver bag.
Oh.
What is he, by the way?
Battle Beast Mole?
Ah, Mole, that's what it is. Alright. They had two of them. One, the little heat sticker didn't work, so I got this one.
So I ended up getting This little micro dude. I think he's Command 3. This is the Toys R Us exclusive clear version. I don't know if I want to kit bash it. I like it too much, but I want to use this body for a project. I also got a couple of vintage Kenner guys. Got a Kenner Nazi from Raiders of the Lost Ark. And I forgot his name. What's his name? General Notman Mothma. I always thought he was the Reno 911 guy. Alright, we're now in a model kit shop that Chris wanted to go into. And looking at gashapons and figures and what'd you find?
And Insanity.
Dude, that's awesome. I've actually never seen this before. I've seen the
X-ray? I don't remember these. This is at the end of their
1,000 yen.
Oh, instant buy.
Instant buy.
Dude, wow, look at the back. Look at the back. There's more.
Oh, gotta find the AT-AT. Oh, the slave one.
Damn.
They have any more over here?
I don't see anything else.
But they have this guy. Oh, what's this?
Oh, here you go, dude. Totally your thingy.
My thingy?
Yeah, little stubby.
I do like the little stubby kits.
Valkyries and junk. I think I had one of these. I remember this squat.
Oh, 4,000 yen.
$1,000.
Oh, super collection. Goku. Something's wrong.
The infamous missing kanji.
What was he missing? A sticker sheet, probably?
Probably.
I've bought this so many times. I have the Super Saiyan one. I'm good with the Super Saiyan one. That's cool though. This is a nice little shop actually.
Yeah, I love this place. Don't tell anyone about it.
Okay. Hey, here's some Ubukeshi. We got Shinji. 100 yen. Yes.
Yeah, what was this anyway?
It's just a really cool looking thing.
Oh, this is Gal Gaigar.
Oh, Gal Gaigar.
Cool. Everyone knows Gal Gaigar.
Of course.
Check that out, glow in the dark.
Yeah, that's pretty rad. A lot of military vehicles in here. Gel Jumbo Sreg.
It's Technobot. It's Technobot. It's Technobot.
All right, Chris.
I assume that's what his theme song sounds like.
Anyone need a Windy fan? Oh, interesting.
Actually, you might like this better.
Dr. Slump. I thought it said bro, but it says Brune.
Brune.
Isn't that Arle's catchphrase? Bro.
Yeah, bro. What is she doing? She's like water skiing on an airplane.
Yeah, well, she's not water skiing, obviously, but she's skiing on Dr. Senbei's cockpit. Yeah, these are so cool. There are little pilots inside.
Yeah, there are bunches of Dugram over on the other aisle.
The tanks are neat, but I'm looking at this little yellow and green car, or truck. It looks like it's got sliding doors. I wonder what's inside. For $380, I will buy it to find out. Thank you for introducing me to that secret shop there.
Don't shop there because it has nothing that you would ever want.
So
Only I want those things.
Now we're gonna go to one of these Surugaya in Akihabara. I think there's what, 3 or 4 here?
Yeah, well they're all different.
They're all different stuff, yeah. Well, there's one down here that the first floor is all junk bins. Everything's like 100 to 300 yen. So I find some really good stuff in there. So dig through those and then see what they have upstairs.
Yes.
Check it out.
I approve.
He approves. That's all that matters. What's it? Power of the Force 2?
Obi-Wan, my dingus.
220, sir. Looking for the ones with the little Japanese Takara inserts. Oh, maybe it wasn't Takara. Takara released these? No, it was just Kenner. Oh, Hasbro Japan. Sorry, the little Hasbro Japan inserts. Takara did the earlier Kenner stuff. It's a different Obi-Wan.
I would have that.
He's got the Comtech.
I have that. I bought that stupid little midichlorian reader thing.
People, here's a big Obi-Wan.
Obi-Wan.
People watching are probably like, why are you guys hunting for Americans, the shitty American Star Wars toys?
Yeah.
We're not. That's just happened to find them. They've changed things up since the last time I was here. These are the junk bids I was talking about. So you've got them like labeled. So we got Dragon Ball, obviously. Some Dragon Ball Kaikeshi. For the Evangelion one. Bolton.
Dang, that's an original. Look at that.
Oh, the painted one? Or you painted yourself?
I mean, this is back when all there was paintbrushes.
And rocks. I don't know if you see the Evangelion junk bin. Ultraman junk bin. Ace. A lot of Ace stuff in here. Ultraman phone case? Yeah, these look like Popey. Zophie. Hold on a second.
Are you recording? Whoa.
What in the world is that?
I don't know. Is it from Cuphead? Kind of
It looks like a Cuphead type thing. There's a ton of vintage Bandai and or Popey Ultraman stuff would be down here in the junk bin. Where's the Ava stuff, man? I always find good Ava stuff here.
No
Maybe I
Ava.
passed it. Oh, here's some Ava stuff. But it's garbage. Hey Chris, what do you think of Shinji?
Yeah, Shinji. I think he's the most well-written character that I love in all of anime. I don't think he's a horrible, whiny piece of garbage who plays the piano way too much and I just wish was dead from the start of the show. Is it Virtua Fighter? Whoa.
Whoa. That's gotta be Virtua Fighter. That's fantastic.
No, that's just one of the earliest 3D prints.
Oh shit, there's a bunch more Ultraman stuff again here. Cuckoo.
Real Ultraman.
Hi, Mom.
We can articulate each other.
No, I'm good. Jesus. Tokusatsu stuff. Okay, so Chris just found this 1989 Bandai Spylus from Super Police Jet Spylus. I don't know anything about this. Some kind of Sentai series. It's really cool looking, but this ship is like something out of Blade Runner mixed with something out of Microman, Micronauts. And what? They have a Mazinger Tenga? Wow. Anyway, I think this would be awesome for a Microman. It's 65. I think that's not bad. I don't know what that says. Let's get him to open it and find out.
Okay,
Looks like it's got all the pieces. So, they opened the box, as you saw. Missing a bunch of stickers. Well, not a bunch. Some of the cooler looking ones. So, okay, we're gonna check one of the other Surugayas. Didn't find a lot of the things that I was looking for in that last one, specifically Evangelion stuff. But this one has an entire aisle of Evangelion stuff. So, because I need some parts. So, hopefully they have a little junk bin at this one. Where did Chris go? Chris has disappeared. Chris is over there. Chris, I left, and you weren't there anymore.
What happened? I saw things like that or so.
So this line is okay. So then it would come maybe like this. And
Down more?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Perfect.
Whoops.